Open up the Wokwi website, and then you can see several options of board that you can choose. We can select Arduino, ESP32, STM32, and Raspberry Pico board. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose Arduino. There are many templates that you can choose from in the featured project. But for Blinking LED tutorial, we are going to build from scratch. Select Arduino Uno board. On the left side is the programming sketch, where you write the program here, and the right side is the virtual board.
Yes.
You do not need hardware to program the Arduino. You can start adding the LED by clicking the plus sign. Arrange the LED as you like, and then wire the LED to the board. Wire the positive terminal of LED to the pin number 13 and the negative terminal LED to the ground pin. Now you can write the code to blink the LED. Firstly, write the pin mode of the selected LED, which is 13. In the bracket, write 13, and output. Select output because we want the output of the LED. You can also set the pin number to a variable for a better practice so that we can understand what the number means. Write int, which means integer, and then the variable name. You can assign any name that you want. For a better practice, assign name that understandable. Set the variable equal to 13, the pin number. Change the pin mode pin number to the variable that you have set. Now in the loop section, we're going to write blinking LED code. You can write digitalWrite and then select high to turn on the LED. This line of code will turn on the LED on when you set high. It is digital logic that understands 0 or 1 instruction. Add some delay so the blink is noticeable in our eyes. 1000 is equal to 1 second. Copy the code to turn on the LED and paste below it. Change the high logic to low to set the LED off. Run the code by clicking Start Simulation button. The compiler will compile the code and simulate the LED blinking. The compilation failed due to build error. Check your code for any error. This is common error when coding, and debugging is the crucial skill in coding. You can see that there are typo in the variable name. Fix the variable name and run the simulation again. Hooray! The code is working and the LED is blinking. The LED will turn on for 1 second and turn off for 1 second, as we set just now. You can play around with the LED by adding more LED and set different delay for a different result. Try this out now and share the result in the comment section. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe if you like this content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Adios.